Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the quickest, easiest way to use thinkorswim to make a trade. If you've made trades before, if you're familiar with trading platforms, then this probably isn't for you. This is for the person that has probably never opened a trading platform, never looked at a chart, and has no idea what to do. I'm going to take you from downloading thinkorswim, which is TDAmeritrade's trading platform, to making a trade the easiest way possible. Not the best way possible, but the easiest way possible. So the first thing you want to do is go to TDAmeritrade.com. This should be the page that you come up to. At this point, you're going to need to have already made an account. I'm not going to show how to make an account. Just go through that. And then once your account is up, what you'll want to do is you need to download the software. So you'll go to Tools and Platforms. And these are your options: Web Platforms, thinkorswim Desktop, thinkorswim Web, and Mobile Trading. The app is pretty good, but it's a little bit hard to understand. Not really user-friendly. The web platform, opened it for the very first time today. It looks great. It's fairly easy to use, but I'm going to look at it a little bit more before I do a tutorial on that. So we're going to start with thinkorswim Desktop. And I'm going to click on thinkorswim Desktop again. Download now. You'll download the exe file. I'm not going to do it because I have it on my computer already. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and run that file to download on your computer. And then go to open it. A screen will come up that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Say yes. And then this screen will pop up. Then this screen will pop up. And you can do live trading, which is real money, or you can do paper trading. If you want to do paper trading, you need to have a paper account. So go on to TDAmeritrade and sign up for a paper account if you want to practice. Go ahead and put in my password here. You have different login credentials for your two trading accounts, one for the paper and one for the live account. This is not the first screen that you'll see when you sign up. Go ahead and reset this back to default so you can see what you're going to see when you sign in the first time. This is what you're going to see. Alright, so when you get to this page, what you're going to want to do is take your cursor up to the top left side of the screen, and sometimes if you hover above trade, it'll give you some options. If not, just left click on it, and then sometimes it'll come up to this page or this page, but what you want is to select Active Trader. And Active Trader will bring up this screen. Now what you'll need to do is decide on which company you're wanting to trade. And then in this box right here, you want to enter in the company's ticker symbol. So like for GameStop, it's GME. Hit enter. And this is this chart, what it's showing you. If you'll look right here above the GameStop, it says GME 5D5M. That stands for GameStop 5-day chart in 5-minute increments. So each one of these candles represents 5 minutes. I'll go into more detail on another video, but for right now, we're just figuring out how to make the quickest, easiest trade. So we'll go over here in this little arrow, click on it, and this allows you to put in a quantity. So say you want to buy 10 shares, enter in 10, hit tab, and then hit buy market. This will come up. It'll give you the details of your trade. Hit send. And then that little noise will indicate that you have shares. And then right here, the TOS long, that's how many shares you have. That means you're long in the trade, you didn't short it. The average price was $56.31. That was the average price that you paid for those 10 shares. And this keeps a running total of your profit and loss since you opened this trade. And this is your profit and loss for this ticker on this day. So if you got in and out of this trade several times, this would keep a running total of what you've made on this ticker. The P&L open, on the other hand, would just keep track of your current trade. And then when you're ready to sell, look and make sure that you know what your position is. It's 10. Enter in 10 there if it's not there already. Sell market. Send. And now we're out of the trade. It says position is flat there. Average price not available. Profit and loss open 0 because we're not in a trade. And profit and loss for the day is $1. So I'll go ahead and do another ticker just for example. Let's say we want to do Tesla, TSLA. And if you don't know a ticker, go to finance.yahoo.com. So we want to buy 10 stocks of this. We just put in 10. Buy market. Send. It was rejected because my buying power. I had them set my buying power real low because when I first started out trading stocks, I only had about $3,000. So I wanted it to be fairly realistic. So it's realistic. So I'm just going to buy one stock and hit buy market, send. The trade has been made. Average price $808.97. Profit and loss since opening 40 cents. Negative 40 cents. My position long is one share. And to get out of it, I have 1 share, so I'll put 1 share in the quantity and hit sell. And then send. So I lost 14 cents on that trade. Right there, profit and loss for the day is 0.14. And that is the easiest way to make a trade on Think or Swim. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And I will do my best to answer any questions you have.